At 8:49 in the morning on the 4th of May, a man called Pritam Kumar called Pradeep Kumar for booking a room at the NHAI guest house for Sikandar Yadvendu. This is forwarded to the assistant engineer for booking. Is it true? Listen to my question, ma'am. Is it true?
Yes,
is it true that Pritam Kumar is PS to Tejasvi Yadav?
No.
Is PS to Tejasvi Yadav?
Let me tell you a story.
Is Pritam Kumar PS to Tejasvi Yadav?
Let me tell you a story first. A few months ago, an incident of paper leak in Uttar Pradesh has happened. The paper was.
Is Pritam Kumar PS to Tejasvi Yadav?
See, I'm not he. मैं यहाँ पर चिल्लाने के लिए नहीं हूँ.
नहीं, मैं एक ही सवाल पूछ रहा हूँ, आप अवॉइड कर रही हैं.
Your question. I'm answering your question. Even Dharmendra Pradhan didn't answer. उन्होंने इस पर जवाब नहीं दिया. उन्होंने इस पर जवाब नहीं दिया. And you asking repeatedly. I'm answering you right now. One incident happened in Uttar Pradesh. A name Neeraj Kumar came on surface and entire media and BJP linked Neeraj Kumar, Neeraj Yadav with the Samajwadi Party and Akhilesh Yadav because Neeraj was a Yadav. That is the incident. And later, what came out? Later came out this Neeraj Yadav was linked to the Bharatiya Janata Party and a person whose surname was Misra, not Yadav. This is the answer for this question. Please don't link to any particular party. Person belongs to a particular surname or particular
No, it's
title.
not a surname issue. The question is whether... Okay, Sanju, even if the person who has booked the rooms for the scam kingpin is working and has been working with Lalu Prasad and Tejasvi, should you blame Lalu Prasad and Tejasvi directly for it?
Okay, I heard what the other panelists from RJD had to say. I will make my points very briefly. First and foremost, Arnab, hats off to you and to your media house for repeatedly talking about the NEET scam and ensuring that the rest of the national media caught on to it. And I say this without any ifs or buts whatsoever as an ordinary citizen, not as the national spokesperson of the BJP. My second and most important point is this. Should heads roll? Of course, yes. Will there be any accountability from the former UPSC chairman, who is now the head of the NTA, Mr. Pradeep Joshi? I think he has a lot of answering and explaining to do. Point number 3, should there be a solution before the 8th of July? Because 8th of July is when the Supreme Court will hear this matter in detail. I think what Dharmendra Pradhan did mention when you asked him some very pointed questions was that the government is seized of the matter and is looking at a resolution perhaps even before the apex court gives a hearing on the said matter. The fourth and most important point, is the Modi government simply deflecting and digressing from the issue at hand by trying to rope in Tejasvi Yadav into this entire fracas? No, because Bihar is not the only place. You know, this particular exam was held in more than 4,700 centers across 24 lakh students who sat for it. But should we ignore what happened in Bihar? My answer is categorically a big no. And I will just very quickly tell you, who is the key accused? The key accused is a man called Anurag Yadav. Is he also a candidate? Yes. He's 23 years old. He's one of the candidates. He's one of the key accused. He's also one of the key beneficiaries. And a candidate slash a student slash a beneficiary slash an accused has categorically said that he was housed in a state guest house, and when probed further, he said that Sikandar Prasad Yadvendu is the person who made all the arrangements. He was asked for 40 lakh rupees. Now, who is Sikandar Prasad Yadvendu? He is somebody who's very close to Pradeep Kumar and Pritam Kumar Yadav. Pritam Kumar Yadav is the personal assistant of Tejasvi Yadav, the former deputy chief minister of RJD and the son of Chara Chor, fodder convict Prasad Yadav. So for Tejasvi Yadav and RJD convict, fodder convict, Chara Chor, ध्यान से सुनिए, Chara Chor लालू यादव और उनकी संतान यदि टीवी डिबेट पर उनके प्रवक्ता कहते हैं तेजस्वी यादव तो राजा हरिश्चंद्र का अवतार है, Do you think you're going to fool people? क्यों?
No, no, no.
लालू यादव को
Kanchan Yadav, louder, audio not clear.
प्रतीक ठहराया।
Mind your language.
चोर तो है वो। लालू यादव
Mind your language, चंदा चोर. Mind your language.
हजार बार कहूं।
Mind your language, चंदा चोर.
चोर है।
Break it.
जंगल राज चला था उनके
Break it, don't break it.
नेतृत्व के तहत।
Don't
You should be ashamed.
That's it.
तेजस्वी यादव has not even given a basic apology. क्या तेजस्वी यादव की कोई जिम्मेदारी नहीं है?
है।
तेजस्वी
क्या
यादव की
प्रधानमंत्री
कोई
नरेंद्र मोदी की कोई जिम्मेदारी है? कैसी जिम्मेदारी है?
अकाउंटेबिलिटी नहीं
उन्होंने
है।
कभी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करके
जो करना
never he addressed a press conference regarding Manipur, regarding rail accident.
You was,
going to be fired or not?
there are two aspects today, and I've just been told.
तेजस्वी यादव
I've just been told that the CBI.
यादव
I've been informed by my sources that the CBI.
क्यों लगा हुआ है?
That the CBI has just registered a case against unknown persons in the UGC net scam, in which the entire matter was out on the dark web.